Hello, roomies, and welcome back to my. I sound like a cigarette smoker.
Show me my love. Oh God, show me sweet love. Yeah.
Hello, roomies, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, it is Friday, and you know what that means. It is Face Mask Friday. So before we go ahead and get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. If you are a new watcher and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can have a personal invitation into my room. So let's go ahead and get started. So for today's video, we will be doing another peel off mask. However, it is different. So this one is by Seventh Heaven. It's called a black seaweed peel off. Its use is to deep pore detox, and it says it is tongue tied. It is an easy peel mask, and it is for all skin types. This is how it looks, and it has crushed sea salt, pressed sea buckthorn, and harvested laver seaweed. Let me see. It has a lot going on here in the back. But let's read the description. Feel like a holiday with harvested laver seaweed from the Welsh seaside and crushed sea buckthorn. You'll feel like you're a million miles away. This detoxifying peel-off mask will cleanse and purify, leaving skin feeling like new. Regular use will clear away excess sebum. There's that word again. It says we're vegetarian, animals are our friends. That's why we don't bash bunnies or add bits of animals. What? Some masks have animals in it? Okay. So first you are to cleanse your face. The second step is to apply. Then you are to let it dry for 20 to 25 minutes. And then you peel. This really has a lot going on in the back. It's so busy for me. It's too busy. Okay, so today I will be using my applicator to apply this mask. Let's tie back the hair. Let me know if y'all enjoy these Face Mask Fridays. And if you have any face masks that you recommend, go ahead and leave that down below. Okay, so nothing left to it but to do it. This is what it looks like, and let's go. And I legit sound like I smoke cigarettes. Not trying to bash nobody if y'all smoke cigarettes, that's y'all, but my voice is a little But that's because I had the flu. It's still here, but you know, I'm getting over it. Slowly but surely. It's about to be a whole week. This has my face itchy. Is that the seaweed? It's not like a irritation, but I have the urge to scratch my face right now. Yeah, I have the urge to really, you know, put a hurting on my face. Okay, so we are to let this dry for 20 to 25 minutes. During that time, what I'm gonna do is watch Real Housewives of Atlanta. I just started watching it and I'm on season 2. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do while I watch it. While this dries, watch some Real Housewives of Atlanta. Although I can't see shit. I can't see nothing. I don't know, like this is giving me some kind of vibe. This is a nice angle. I'm cute. I don't know why I always think that. Like I'm cute with a mask on, but I look cute. Ooh, I know y'all see the drip, boy. Alright. Got it. Let me stop talking. 25 minutes or until this dry, and I'll be back with you. So, 20 minutes have passed, and you can see that I really can't move my lips because this does get really tight. My mouth is dry, but let's get to it. I had to actually wait more than 25 minutes because over here it was still wet, but everything's dry now, so let's go. And what I'm just going to go ahead and do is moisturize my face with Aveeno. Final thoughts. So first of all, this smells great. It smells great. I don't get why she's so happy. Why she's so happy? It didn't make me feel happy. But yeah, it does smell great. It took a little more than 25 minutes to dry. I guess that's because I put a lot on. But let me fix this camera. Okay. But I would use it again. It won't be my go-to. There's nothing really extravagant about it. You know, Like, I don't see a difference in my face. Deep pore detox when I took this off. You know how people usually, when they take off their peel off mask, they see like little white stuff on the back of it. I didn't see any of that. I'm not sure why, because I didn't even see that on the charcoal mask. So am I doing something wrong? But yeah, it's nothing really too extravagant about it. I'm not sure when I'm supposed to see results, but I mean, hey, if you want to buy it, go ahead. It's not something I'm like, ooh, you gotta go get it. No, it's not nothing. It's not anything like that at all. But that's all. I really don't have too much to say. I'm not happy. I'm not sad. I'm like indifferent about it. I'm indifferent about it. That's really all. But we have come to the end of the video. Want to thank you all so very much for tuning in and for being loyal subscribers. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell, and go ahead and comment if you do enjoy these Face Mask Fridays videos. If you have any, if you recommend any mask, go ahead and put that in there as well. Until my next one.